Hello students, how are you? Fine. Okay. Have you studied what I have taught earlier? Yes or no? Yes. And some students know. Why? Keep practice maths. Okay. If you practice maths daily, your maths become very strong. Okay. So keep practicing maths daily. Okay. So today we will start a new chapter 2. Okay, all of you have your books. Open page number 12. See what is the name of that chapter. Read it. Read the name of the chapter. What is written there? Yes, numbers up to 10. What is the name of the chapter? Second chapter is numbers up to 10. Okay, so you know how to write a number. Okay, the one digit number is known as ones and its place value is ones. Okay, and two digit number, its place value is tens and ones. See how we write a number. Tens and ones. So first we write one digit number and the place value of one digit number is ones. Its value is ones. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. All these numbers are one digit number. Okay. So we place these numbers in ones place, at ones place. Okay. Now 10. 10, how do we write 10? 1, 0, 10. 1, 0, 10 is having two digit number. How many digits are there? 2, 1 and 2. Okay. 10 is having two digits, 1 and 0. Okay. So first we place 0. Where we place 0? We place 0 at ones place. Okay. We place 0 at ones place and we place 1 at tens place. In the same way, we can continue our counting by placing the first digit at ones place and second digit at tens place. Okay, but our chapter, it is up to 10. Okay, so how we write a counting? In this way. Okay, using tens place and ones place. Okay, now we write today, we will write the number name also. Okay, you know what is number name? How do we read the number? According to that, we write the spelling of that number. Okay, so repeat after me. Okay, what is this? This is 1. This is 1. Okay, so how do we write 1? What is the spelling of 1? O N E 1. Repeat. O N E 1. Again repeat. O N E 1. Again O N E 1. What is the next number after 1? The next number after 1 is 2. The number after 1 is 2. So how do we, what is the spelling of 2? T W O 2. Say T W O 2. Repeat again. T W O 2. Again T W O 2. 2. Okay. Now what is the next number after 2? The number after 2 is 3. The number after 2 is 3. So what is the spelling of 3? T H R double E 3. Repeat. T H R double E 3. Again repeat. T H R double E 3. Okay, now what is the next number after 3? The number after 3 is, yes, 4. The number after 3 is 4. And what is the spelling of 4? F O U R. 4. Repeat again. F O U R. 4. Again. F O U R. 4. Very good. What is the next number? The next number is 5. The next number is 5. Okay. So what is the spelling of 5? F-I-V-E. 5. Again repeat. F-I-V-E. 5. Repeat again. F-I-V-E. 5. Okay, what is the next number after 5? The next number after 5 is 6. The next number after 5 is 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X. 6. What is the spelling of 6? S-I-X. 6. Repeat. S-I-X. 6. Yes. What is the next number? The number after 6 is 7. The number after 6 is 7. And what is the spelling of 7? S-E-V-E-N. 7. Repeat. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Again repeat. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Okay, the number after 7 is 8. What is the number after 7? 8. And what is the spelling of 8? E-I-G-H-T. 8. Repeat. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Again repeat. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay, what is the next number? The number after 8 is 9. The number after 8 is 9. And what is the spelling of 9? The spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E. 9. Repeat again. N-I-N-E. 9. Repeat again. N-I-N-E. 9. And what is the last number that come after 9? The number that come after 9 is 10. And what is the spelling of 10? T-E and 10. T-E and 10. Repeat again. T-E and 10. Again. T-E and 10. Okay. So these spellings from 1 to 10. You write in your classwork copy. Okay. You write these spellings in your classwork copy. Copy fast. First you write second chapter numbers up to 10 and then write the spellings. And then write the spelling. Again I am reading and you write. Okay. 1. O-N-E-1. Write all of you. O-N-E-1. Write O-N-E-1. Next, write 2. T-W-O-2. Write T-W-O-2. T-W-O-2. Next number write 3. 3. Now write T-H-R-E-E-3. T-H-R-E-E-3. Write next number 4. Write its spelling F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Again write F-O-U-R. 4. Now write next number 5. Write its spelling F-I-V-E. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. Written. Now write next number 6. Number 6. Write its spelling S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. Now write this next number after 6. 7. 7. Write its spelling S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Write the next number 8. Write the next number 8. Now write its spelling E-I-E-I-G-H-T. E-I-G-H-T. 8. Okay. Write the next number 9. N-I-N-E. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. Written. Now write the last number 10. Write the spelling of 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. T-E-N 10. Okay. Have you all written? Very good. Now next topic is concept of zero. Concept of zero. Zero means a big circle is known as zero. What is zero? Is zero is having value? No. Okay. Zero is having no value. It means if I said that you are having zero pencils, that means you are having no pencil. Okay. You are having zero chocolates, that means you are having no chocolates. Nothing in your hand. Okay. So then I will explain you what is the concept of zero. Okay. Suppose one tree is here. I will draw one tree here. And suppose on this tree some birds are sitting. Okay. On this tree some birds are sitting. Okay. So suppose these are the birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are the birds that are sitting on the tree. Okay. Suppose this bird flies. First again I will count that how many birds are there. How many birds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many birds are there? 7 birds are there. Okay. Just now how many birds are sitting on the tree? 7 birds. Okay. If one bird flies. Fly. If one bird flies. Okay. If these birds fly in the sky. Now how many birds are there sitting on the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many birds remain? 6 birds remain. Now I will write here 6 because one bird flies. Okay. So only 6 birds are there. Again one more bird flies. Again this bird also flies in the sky. Now how many birds are there sitting on the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many birds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now again 2 birds flies. 2 birds together flies. Okay. These 2 birds also flies. Now see how many birds are there sitting on the tree? 1, 2, 3. Only 3 birds are there. Okay. How many birds now sitting on the tree? Only 3 birds. Okay. Suppose one more bird flies. One more bird flies. Now how many birds remain? How many birds are there? 1 and 2. Only 2 birds are there. And rest of the birds fly and go back to another tree. Now suppose one more bird fly from here. It also flies. Now how many birds are there? Only 1. Only 1. Okay. Suppose this one bird also flies. It also fly. Now is there any bird sitting on the tree? No. Is there a bird sitting on the tree? Is there any bird? No. That means how many birds are there on the tree? 0. Nothing means 0. If there is nothing, that means the value of nothing. If you have nothing, that means that is 0. No bird is sitting on the tree. That means 0. Okay. So this is the concept of 0. Okay. Now I will give you homework. Okay. I will give you homework today. What is the first topic that we have done? Number name. Okay. So number name, you have to write the number name. You have to write number name. Write number names from 1 to 10. Okay. How many times? 3 times. Okay. That you have to write 3 times. You have to write the number name from 1 to 10 3 times. Okay. Note down this homework.
Write down.
Okay, write down this homework. Okay, you have to write the number names from 1 to 10. How many times you have to write? You have to write 3 times. Okay. How you write it? You write 1 and write the spelling of 1. O-N-E-1. 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 In this way you have to write it 3 times. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Copy? Yes. Now let's do something different today. Okay. How many of you know the table of 2? I hope all of you know the table of 2. Okay. I hope all of you know the table of 2. Okay. So I am writing, repeat the table of 2 after me. All the students. Okay. Say and write in your copy also. Okay. Writing and repeating also after me. Okay. Write table of 2. Write table of 2. Okay. So repeat after me and write in your copy also. Say 2 ones are 2. Say repeat 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 4. Okay. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 fives are 10. 2 six are 12. 2 six are 12. 2 six are 12. You just continue from the same page. You don't write this side. Okay. I don't have space here, and if I will write here, then you are not able to see. That's why I am writing this side. You continue from down only. Okay. You write here only 2 6 are 12. Okay. 2 sevens are 14. Repeat. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 nines are 18. Okay. 2 tens are 20. 2 tens are 20. Okay. 2 tens are 20. All of you have written? All of you have written? Okay. The table of 2 also you have to write 2 times. Okay. You write the table 2 times. Okay. Now we will continue tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.